mag-vlog ka na.
Hey guys, dito kami, Ottawa. Bibisitahin daw namin si Trudeau. May appointment si Papa. Parang wala nang mga buhat-buhat yung ano. Wow, ganda! Ito, ganda! Ang laki! It's like a castle.
Parang mga, ano palasyo.
Westin, di ba yung
Oo, ayan o, ganda ng building na yun.
Hindi, tsaka ano, yung parang...
Guys, nandito kami sa Ottawa. Sabi nung kasama namin si Faith, yung nurse ni Cassie, this is called the Byward Market. So madami siyang mga little shops that we're passing by, mga tourist shops where you can buy souvenirs. Tapos madami din mga kainan there along the street. Naghahanap lang kami ng kainan right now. I think the consensus is we're wanting to have Oriental food, maybe some Chinese food for Ninang Lauren's birthday. Tada! Say hi everybody! Yeah.
Hello guys. Wala na.
Picture daw. Guys, meron din ano dito, Marriott and Andaz. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung Courtyard Marriott, tapos behind there is the Andaz. I don't know if you can see. Hindi nakita. But lakad-lakad lang kami. Hey guys. Si Cassie girl, inaanak ko, ang ganda-ganda. Oh no! Heartbreaker! Yan, si Mami nakabili na po ng hat. Kasi mainit daw. Ang cute naman ng hat niya, may bow pa sa likod. Mami, pakita mo daw yung hat mo. Wow! Turista. Nawawala kami. Nawawala. Pero ang ganda oh. Ganda ng walkway. Ito po yung Ottawa. Paano ba? How do you say it? Ottawa? Ottawa? Ottawa. Happy birthday, Ninang!
Thank you. Thank you.
Maghanap lang kami ng kainan for her birthday.
Wala yung kainan sa Pilipinas.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Little Princess Cassie.
We're going to the right side. See the right side.
Okay po, nawawala po kami. Nawawala po yung kainan.
Yan o.
Hinahanap namin.
That's the right term.
You know what? I think the kainan keeps moving.
Go here, Pink.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa... I don't even know what this place is called. Ano tawag dito sa place na to? No, this restaurant.
Ayun o, Jew.
Lagay.
Hindi kay Jia tayo na pangalan.
God. Basta nandito kami sa dumpling restaurant. Ito na yung mga remains. Slowing down na. Si Papa, Kuya Jad, Gael, yung nurse ni Cassie, Baby Cassie, Ate Che, Jaja, Ninong, and Nina. Yan. Yung mga pagkain namin. Ang ano siya, dumplings. Very yummy. Yeah. So we started off with pork wonton soup, which is this one. And then we had deep fried gyoza, deep fried dumplings. And then we had sweet juicy pork bao. So this is a soup dumpling. Yung loob niyan, may soup sa loob. Nice. Yan. Hello, Mami. Busog na sila. Ito pala yung kinainan namin. Sami and Soup Dumpling. Yun yung name ng restaurant. So we had the dumpling and the pork wonton soup. Ooh, look at the... Kinakawayan ko sila. Hello, nag-stairs kami sila, nag-elevator. Ayan oh. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Thank you po. Special ride.
Hi. Sabi ni Faith, this is a hotel. Happy birthday, Nina!
Na-enjoy ko ang birthday ko talaga.
Ganda ng mga sights. So this is like Ottawa town.
So they're
There's a canal.
like at boat locks.
Yeah, look, oh.
So this is the canal. So yeah, so you can like the boats will come in and then they unlock the gates.
Oh, nice. Hey Cassie, you want to go ride a boat? Hey Cassie. Yay! Let's go! Let's go! Say hi. How about flying kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Oh, marunong mag-flying kiss. Mwah. Yeah. Mwah. Mwah. Eh, lipad mo. Mwah. I-fly mo. Hey guys. Today is, ano date ngayon? June 21. Papunta kami na Niagara Falls today. Paano ba sabihin yun? Niagara. Niagara Falls. Mag-check-in kami sa hotel ni Papa doon. Mag-overnight kami. And we're gonna go see the falls today.
Libre ang check-in nyo ron.
Tapos si Papa nag-check-in. Ay, nag-check-in, nag-drive.
Libre ba doon? Yeah.
Tapos si Jang sa likod.
Yeah, bayad dyan
And
yan.
Mommy in the back.
Ano sa akin?
And me, the cutest of them all.
Hello. Taking a tita Lynn.
Oo nga. Interview. I-edit ng mamaya. Maraming interview.
Malapit pala ang
Nakita rin ng ate yun. May naano ng ate. Sinasabi rin. Matutuwa yung sa'yo. May interview. Oo. Ito na yung papunta ano sa Mindanao Avenue yung ikot. Ito na nga oh. Mindanao Avenue. Pagbaba mo yan, nabaliches na. Channel 5 na yun. Diba? Mindanao Avenue. Malapit na sa Channel 5. Tapos bayan na. Simbahan.
SNR dito.
SNR pa. Ganun nga lang din eh. Nandito lang tayo sa Pilipinas. Hello guys.
Yun lang.
Panahin mo na sila.
Dito kami sa overflow. Yung tubig. Papuntang Tipakan. Ayan yung overflow. Papuntang Tipakan na yung tubig.
Hey guys, andito na kami sa Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. Naglalakad-lakad kami. There's the falls on that side.
Alam mo sa bula yung ano?
Naglalakad kami, magsasakay kami ng ng ferry so we can get up close to the falls.
Gusto mo mag-zipline?
Ha?
Magpapaganda lang tayo.
Guys, sasakay na kami ng boat. Ito, nakakapote na po kami. Ito sila. We are gonna board soon. Okay guys, nakasakay na kami sa boat. Pupunta na kami dun sa dulo sa may Horseshoe Falls. Lapit kami sa falls. Ito si Jaja. Nakakapote na po kami para hindi mabasa. A little bit of water protection. Yan. Hi! We'll go here.
It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line at 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall in 1954, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridal Village.
Rainbow pa, may pa-rainbow pa si Lord. Oh. Better experience, may pa-rainbow si Lord.
The aftermath of going into the Horseshoe Falls. I'm so wet! Kahit may kapote, nababasa pa din. Tignan mo naman yung mukha ako. Ito, Nina. Nina, interview.
Hi!
How was it?
Nabasa na ako. Naligo na ako kanina.
Kulang daw po kami ng pangkuskus. Dapat nagdala ng shampoo conditioner.
Punta kayo dito.
Yun na. Ito, pabalik na kami sa port. Doon kami nang galing dito. Ang tawag doon Horseshoe Falls. Doon yung doon kami nabasa ng grabe. Si Jaja, fresh pa si Jaja, girl.
Bakit tinanggal mo na yung mababasa ka?
Yee! Ninang!
Hydro.
Hindi, basta tinin niya.
Ito, dito nga yung hydro.
Ayun nga,
Sabi ko electrical tree.
Oo, kaya nga. Daan ng kuryente. Maraming ganun na yun.
Ay, hindi.
Ayun, yung green na yun sa telecommunication fiber.
Akala ko,
Pangalan.
akala namin.
Ano, sige, mamili ka, magbuo, ka.
Yaga. Ruiz.
Maganda din pala dito. Ay, no, yung bahay ba yun?
Tsaka yun naman talaga yung Niagara Falls.
Daddy!
Yes!
I saw
You're supposed to go here at night naman talaga. Kasi nga dahil sa lights.
Tatlong room ko itong hotel, tatlong kwarto. Kami
Ngayon kami makakatulog ng mahindi.
kakalog-kalog eh.
Bakit paano kami hindi? Makakasilip na kami ng mas marami.
Hindi napigil yung hilik. Hindi napipigilan.
Hindi napigil yung hilik.
Okay po. McDonald's lang ang dinner namin.
Ano?
Easy dinner kasi wala lang. Hindi pa kami nagmamakdo dito eh.
Tubig ito.
Hello. Shaka.
Namamaga yung paa ni nanay, mama?
Ha?
Namamaga ang paa ni nanay? Yung nanay. Ay, papa, umaga na doon, papa. Hindi matutulog yun. Kumakain. Yay! Happy eating! Sarap nun ah.
Hello, good morning. Check out na po kami sa hotel namin. Hindi ko na na-video pala yung kwarto namin. But this is the Hampton Inn in
Kasi hindi
Niagara
kami
Falls.
nag-check-in. Dumaan lang kami dito para bala-bala kunyari. Ito ang tutulog.
Masyado daw mahal kaya di na kami
Hindi
naka-check-in.
kaya ng
Ano lang, daan-daan lang.
Hindi kaya ng power.
Well, we're gonna go now. This is we're in the lobby area right now. Like where the cars go through when they're first checking in. Pasok tayo sa loob na maybe we can see something inside. Heart of Wine Country. This is the area where we had breakfast, just right in there. The breakfast is closed now, so it's pretty empty. It's just tables. But this is the walkway to the elevators and also to the parking, the side access door for the parking lot. Dito kami nag-elevator kanina to go to the rooms. There's a pool just straight down this way and also the gym. This is, I don't know, another side entrance probably. This is where our car is parked. Right out these doors.
May ihan dito.
May ano pa naman po, 9 minutes lang yung outlet.
Wow!
Ito, ano to?
Guys, did you hear that? We're going to the outlet. We're gonna window shop. Libre naman kasi po mag-window shop basta may ano. Basta nakapark lang po kami. Okay, let's go! This is Kuya Jad's van. And our Volvo is just right around here. Just about 3 stalls down after the electric parking stations. Here's our Volvo. This is what we'll be riding. Whoa, a Volvo. Our rental car. See? Ma, go like this, ma. Shaka.
Bye-bye. Parang kabindi, papunta rin sa... Kasakasali lang.
First exit lang din pala yung
Amerika yun, sa amin.
punta kaming outlet.
Aba, meron din. May beer stock sa amin. Hello guys. Going home. Wala ng budget. Tapos na.
Hi guys, let's go shopping.
Dapat magkaroon kayo ng...
Sabado na ngayon. Isang araw na lang tayo rito. Uwi na ulit tayo ng Maui. Dalawang tulog na lang.
Guys, we're here in Canada's Wonderland. This is a theme park here in Canada, in Vaughan, Canada. There's a lot of rides here and roller coasters. Kasama ko mga pinsan ko, the two beautiful girls.
Wala, ito pa lang po. Doon daw tayo check.
Sige. Doon sa umikot agad. Is katatapos lang namin ng first ride namin. Ayun, kita niyo yun. Yun nandun. Doon kami una na sumakay. Yun. That was our first ride. Yung bumabaliktad-baliktad. Ito naman ang sunod namin na ride. This is our next ride here. Ito. How are you? She's fine. How are you? Hindi na makasalita, guys. Hey guys, ito yung ride number 3 namin. Nakapila na po kami. Ja, how are you doing? Interview, you're good? Hilo ka pa? Hilo ka na? Hindi pa. Ay, carry pa daw. Ito ang attitude namin, di ko natatanong kasi ano, malakas yan. We're just we're waiting for our turn. Ay, talagang itong gusto nila. Oh, dito pa kumili. Yeah, they like the front. Guys, 3 o'clock na dito sa Canada. Nandito pa kami sa Canada's Wonderland. We just finished, I think we rode like 5 rides already. There's a lot of rides that are out of service right now because they keep losing power. So we're just waiting. The ride that we really want to ride has been closed for a while. And I don't think it's gonna turn on before we decide that it's time to go. But we're here in the like little bridge area where there's a waterfall. And there's a fountain on the other side. Can't see. Here is Jaja and Abichay. Ayan sila. Mga pagoda na. Ha? Uwi na tayo. Ay! Nagyayaya na ang baby Jaja. O, tara na din. Parang hindi magbubukas yung ano. Matagal pa yun. Okay guys, uwi na kami. Suko na ang aming baby girl.
Okay na din, marami ka nasakyan. Yeah. Pare-pareho tayo hindi nakasakay ng Yukon Striker.
Guys, nandito na ulit kami sa airport. YYZ Airport. Pauwi na kami sa Maui today. So, dito na kami airport. Hintasin na mami. Yeah, tapos na yung bakasyon namin. So sad. Uwi na tayo. So, papunta namin. Ang pupuntahan namin, LAX muna. And then, we're gonna go to OGG. Nalimutan ko na yung airport natin. Okay. Last update na siguro. So sad kasi. Tapos na ang galaan. Back to work. Guys, mami.